Hey everybody, Nature Walks with Dawn here, and I see our first little anole lizard, and he's here on our lavender just eating some bugs and enjoying the sun. And try to get down and get a little closer so you can see him and enjoy him. He's munching on little bugs and just chilling out here. A little green anole. The males have a dewlap under their neck that come out when they're trying to find a mate. This one looks like it might be a big male. Well, he's just out here chilling, eating the bugs, getting a little sun for Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, everybody. I hope you enjoy. God bless and Jesus loves you all.